Right then, 30 to 32, one-handed quick shifter change, smooth as butter. Do you ever get that feeling, weird traffic lights, that you've gone and maybe you shouldn't have because everyone else is still dawdling? I don't know. Anyway, hello! How the devil are we? Good, good, I trust. Well, now then, I gotta think here a minute, because I was gonna say it's another evening and I'm out on the bike again, which is very unusual for me, thinking, oh, I've already done this, I've already said this to you lot, only I haven't, because that's one of the vlogs that didn't come out. So here I am of an evening after work, out on the bike. It's a rarity, just putting on some miles and putting on some smiles, because I feel the need. So we're on 131 miles thus far. I need a minimum of 400 by the 8th of September. Well, I'll breeze past that. And I've got a maximum of 800. Same story as the Hornet, to be fair. So I'll get to, let me see, we're going to be 300, 400, and probably somewhere around about 450 by the 20th. And here I am jibber jabbing, and I was supposed to turn left there anyway. No panic. Yeah, so no problem. And then I've got 3 weeks, two weeks 3 weeks in which I've got another 300 miles, shall we say, should I want to, should I need to. And I have to say, looking at the weather forecast, I probably won't need to. Anyway, thank you for all the kind comments in regards to the new bike. I'm very happy. Well, it's good to go up through the rev range in the gears a little bit, isn't it? Even though I need to come off here. So the most important thing is that I'm actually really happy with the colour, which sounds stupid because it's the one I chose, but I'm not gonna lie, I'd ordered it in the black and that was after that was on the day of the test ride. Okay, I'd gone in already armed to the teeth. No, I'd gone in fairness, with a reasonable suspicion that I might order one, because I'd already priced one up. I had it all printed off, which I left with Pete, I think, while I was out on the test ride. You might see a jump cut because I'm bumbling here. My brain's fading while I'm concentrating, and oh, look at this. This is a hill start, isn't it? Yes, they're called cows, love. Right, so let's try this again, shall we? I'd already gone in pre-armed, ready to roll with everything, and I decided on the black. You know, I'd seen the demonstrator in black and I thought that looks bloody smart. Don't labour the engine. Now I went back in to Branson's. I can't remember, I've probably gone in to do paperwork or something or other, and they had a white one, the tricolour one, and I thought, well, that looks actually quite nice in the white, but I'd already ordered the black. Well, we'll pick that up in a minute. Right into the sun, so I don't expect you can see anything. Right then, so what was I waffling about? Colours. Okay, so recap, quick. I'd ordered the black. I liked the black. It looked good on the computer when I was whizzing around doing it all. I liked the demonstrator in the black. I got in the showroom at some point and they had a tricolour there, and I thought, those nice gold wheels. And I had a bit of a wobble, and I thought, oh god, do I change it? Do I like the black? I'm not sure. Anyway, I thought, well, that's what I've ordered, that's what I'm getting. I'm not going to muck about. Anyway, I'm happy with it. I like it in the black. I'm sure there are many Honda Traansalp purists who will sneer. but I like it. So that was a bit of a wobble, bit of a panic, you know. It's horrible, isn't it, when you've committed something and then you have, you know, second thought, shall I change it? Shall I change it? Will that delay it? Will I then get it and think I shouldn't have changed it? Pete, the salesman. Oh my. Hello. Do you? Why? Well, I'd noticed she'd been doing it for a couple of days. Yeah, I've caught her a couple of times sat there with a whole foot in her mouth, and I've wondered why. Silly boy. Should always walk into the oncoming traffic so that you can see whether you need to get out of the way or not. So anyway, that's enough of me rambling on blindly. I've got to try and edit this together if I'm going to. So to think you're watching what I thought was usable. You imagine what the whole thing was like in reality. So on that note, I'll leave you with that positive thought that this could have been a lot worse. And I will see you post Vlogfest 23. So, toodaloo, catch you later. Bah, bah. Only joking. Look at this. Look at that for fucking inconsiderate, illegal, dangerous parking. That is just fucking outrageous if you ask me. This is a busy little road. Well, typically there's nothing on it, but people whiz up down through here. Worse in a car, you've got to stick your nose right out to see past that fucking cars parked there. You know, I've got all the sympathy for people who need to park overnight and can't find anywhere, because it happens to me sometimes. But spare a thought for people.